Hey, what's up, XRP holder? This is live price predication of XRP. You can check it out. This is just last 1 hour result, and I think this is very bad change. You can check it out. This is last 1 hour result, and change of was minus 0.52%. This is very bad change for XRP holders. You check it out the last 1 hour result, and just highest change as 0.5842% US dollar percent. This is absolutely good. I think today they cross easily $1 US, but if this like changes, then I don't know, they cross $1 they're going down. If we can see this type of changes, I don't know what is this. Okay, so let's check it out. The last 2 hour result, is going good. I think is going good. Okay, so let's check it out. The last, yes, I am ready. I am right. Okay, so let's the 2 hour result as absolutely good. 2.16%. This is absolutely good result, and I think I don't know why the last 1 hour result they're going down, but the 2 hour result is good. This is not bad. And today I think they cross easily $1 earning, and if they cross easily $1 earning, then this is selling time. This is absolutely selling time for XRP holders. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe AWS Tech channel for latest news. I updating you anytime. And I'm guiding you anytime, because I am also XRP holders. So for communication, just comment us, okay, and follow me on Instagram if you want communication us. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.